Regina's always telling me that I worry about you too much.
Something's got a hold of me.
Hey, look, why don't you come back with me? We could use you on the team.
Though I don't know myself.
Yeah, I'm pretty much a solo act at this point.
Yeah, how's that working out for you?
I've lost everything. My family, my home.
I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see?
If the people who brought down that building find her, she will suffer all over again.
I see a lot of myself in you.
Don't you know?
Who's gonna be there?
He's not leaving until the people hunting the girl are dead.
Are you gonna kill him?
Just talk to him. I know that this is hard, but we're gonna put all of our emotions behind us.
My skin can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees.
Presiono este botón y boom. I promise you are safe.